There's a bite, and there's a fish. All we got to do is get them through all these weeds. I can't tell you how big it is. All these darn weeds, probably not that big, but it felt decent. And it almost looks decent. We got us a little one. Nothing big, just a nice little Florida bat. Dark, healthy. We're gonna let this one go. Thank you. There we go, guys. First one of the day. Just a little old largemouth. Hey y'all, how you doing today? Come out, see if we can't catch a few little old bass out of this pond. If you've seen some of the other videos from here, you'll notice we got a lot more water in here today. And that's because we had 10 inches of rain earlier in the week. Water's cold as it can be. And I have no idea how this rain's going to affect them today. And it's December 23rd. Guys, right now I got a little lizard on here, little Zoom lizard. And we're fishing it weightless. Keeping it up toward the top, over the top of all this vegetation. We've gotten one little one. That's it. Had one come up underneath our toe and smack popped it up out of the water, but he didn't take it. And a few minutes later we did get one, and it was on the toad. So we're just gonna sneak along through this vegetation and see what we can catch. Golly. Well, come on back and bite a lure. There he is. Oh, there's one. Well, got me in the weeds. Come on out in the weeds. I don't feel it either. I don't feel the fish. Give him some slack. He still hasn't moved, but there he goes. There's one. And we got us another one. Once again, nothing big. We got it. There we go, guys. Are y'all in the sun? Yep. Y'all in the sun. Guys, there's just another little one. Another little bass. Out of the farm pond. On the toad. Thank you. Out of the farm pond. On the toad. Thank you. So we're going to give this little hole here a shot. We don't do anything here, we may just go to another pond. We've caught two so far. We lost one down in the weeds. We had him for a little bit and he got down in them weeds and got off. But we did have it for a little bit. And we got one there. Come on up out them weeds. God, darn the weeds today are in the way. Come on, take off. Get out them weeds. come out without the fish. See if we get back out of here without making too much of a mess. Just trying to learn how to do. Well, there's a bite. Did he take it? Yeah, he did. And he's down in the weeds. Come on out there. Well, there's this one. There. Come on up out there. Yeah, for this pond, that's a decent one. For this pond, that's a decent one. Here's just another one. That makes number 3 for the day. So, we're going to take probably about 15 inches. About 15 inches. We'll take it. Nice and cold. Thank you. Came out here intending to do some other things, but that ain't going to work. That ain't going to happen today. But there's a bite. Well, we might have that one. Might have that one. Yeah, we got us just a little bitty baby. Maybe 12 inches. Yeah, right at 12 inches. But that's another one. Thank you. Bite. And there we got one. We can keep it. We can keep it. There we go. I think that's number 5 for the day. Got a few little bumps on it. Nice Florida bass. Not got a big belly, but it is healthy. It is healthy. Thank you. Let that one go and there's a bite. And there's a fish. Guys, there's just another little baby. Just another little baby. There we go. Another little baby. Nice and cold. Nice and cold. Pretty little old bass. Just a baby. Go back there and grow up. Thank you. Well, we got one. We can keep it. Get him up on top and get him in here. Guys, we got us another little baby. God, they're getting little. 11.5 inches. Oh well, they get little, but you know what? They're cold, but they're still fish. Thank you. Well, guys, we got us another one. Another one. Another little one. Ah, heck. There we go, guys. He's not bad. Not bad at all. About 16 inches. 15, 16 inches. And we're going to take it. Thank you. Hopefully we got that one. That one feels pretty decent if I can get them out of the weeds. Of course, I don't know how much weed I'm feeding. Sorry about that. I believe we got that one. I believe we got that one. We'll take it. Nice, pretty bass. Nice, pretty bass. We will take it. Thank you. Got their wind done blown it back up into the bushes. Away from where we wanted to be.